because there was.
Hello, and thank you for coming out to the 225th birthday celebration for our village. Our village was born in 1795. To this day of 2020, there has been many changes. And I'd like to introduce to you now Mayor Jim Smith, and he's going to run down all the history and give you a history lesson. Thank you.
Well, actually, going back when South Lebanon was settled by the Revolutionary War soldiers, General Sutton and Captain Kibbe, Trevillo, and others, what's interesting, that's 1795, though Ohio didn't become a state till 1803. But our first residents here, Captain Kibbe, he actually was elected to the Northwest Territory, and then when the state became a state, so he never got seated. Then he ran for state legislature. So the first representative from this area, the first state house representative, was from Deerfield, which is South Lebanon. And he served 2 terms, Captain Kibbe. And then you have Kelly and others. General David Sutton, which is the most famous one. The general, they actually built a home for him. Unfortunately, they tore it down in 1964. If we would have had that home today, it would have been a historical marker for us. Someone that fought in the Revolutionary War. And all of those 5 Revolutionary War soldiers are buried across the street. So we transferred the graves to the Deerfield Cemetery, which still holds the name Deerfield from the original community. They just took basically a handful of the dirt and put the markers there. And we've uncovered markers in the last 20 years from time to time as we do some work over there. We've found intact markers, and then we follow the protocol, take it to the cemetery, and the proper honors for that individual. So 225 years, we're the oldest community in Warren County. The reason we're the oldest community in Warren County, we were part of the Northwest Territory, Hamilton County, and once we the state of Ohio became a state, then they separated us and created Warren County. So that's how we become the oldest community, or the first community, which is basically the same, the oldest and the first. And we lost. The thing that really was tough, when they declared the county seat of Warren County, it was a tie between South Lebanon, which is Deerfield, and Lebanon. The Speaker of the House broke the tie and made it Lebanon. That's the clout that this community had 225 years ago. So now, 225 years later, with of course the census with the corona, it's held up to census a little bit. So everything tells us we'll be the city, so 225 years to become a city. But this community has endured a lot, and you look at the surrounding communities, we have really flourished. The council, we have council members here tonight. I mean this afternoon. That's when I wrote the speech, right? So you have, last week and over the last few weeks, we've had roughly 9 meetings in a row, virtual and some in person with the proper social distancing. They have authorized with developments over $100 million for 2020. Now, no one can say that. We need to clap on that for the council. $100 million. A lot of communities, the budgets are cut. Ours was affected like everybody else, but because of our location, we're able to make progress and development, which will help the Treasury and keep our police protection solid, keep the road improvements and more money to the general fund so we can do civic projects for the community. And it's with the council. In fact, we have Mary Ann. I don't have my glasses, see.
She's here.
Linda Burke.
Yeah, okay. So I can see close up but not far away. We have Linda Burke, Mary Ann. I think that was it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Well, I want to thank the two and for coming and supporting all of our projects, and it's been a pleasure working with this council. And unfortunately, I was here for the 2000, for 200 years. So it's been 25 years ago, and we had a huge event. They had historic uniforms and from the Daniel Boone time stuff and everything else. It was pretty neat. And hopefully that once we get through the vaccine, this becomes available for everybody, that we can have something really celebrate 225 years. That's a milestone. And to have this new building that the council has took on these projects with the dedication. This was my elementary school. You go from a small building to, in 2020 and 225 years, from a small room to 18,000 square foot building, new parking lot, Veterans Memorial coming online, park across the street. That's huge. So with that, I want to thank everybody for being part of this great community. And hopefully in the future, we can have more events, and thank the Historical Society, the last thing, for our events coordinator.
That's right.
Yes.
They've got their building, they put these events on for us, and it makes it look easy, but it's not, and we just simply get up here. They do the hard work, and we kind of take advantage of that to some time. With that, I want to thank you very much, and I'll make sure I got my mask on. They're 20 feet away. So,